All right, so apparently this game now, we're supposed to figure out is what,
Names of
famous ships or
yes,
just
famous
ships?
ships.
There's one ship I know and it's Titanic.
And that's through the movie, though. But I don't know many either. I mean, I don't keep up on. I'm
All right, maybe they're
seafaring.
going to give us some hints and we're going to figure it out.
So
All right,
let's
go.
try.
Are you just going to show us a picture? Let's go.
Picture? That's
Yeah,
even
no.
worse.
No, man, we can work out something.
Let's see.
Unsinkable.
Titanic.
Let me just say Titanic.
That's the first one. It was the ship of dreams. And
So
it
you
was.
ball out so
It
quick
really
and me don't
was.
say Titanic.
Nina Pinta Santa Maria.
Yeah, me didn't know that too. You're going to, you plan to give me a chance?
No, it's a quiz. All right, your turn. Go on.
Jack Sparrow is Pirates of the
Yeah,
Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
What film ship name? Me don't know. I don't know.
We got the movie. Does that count?
Yeah, I got Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't know. I don't know the name. What name?
Black Pearl. I didn't remember either until I saw
I
it.
didn't know. I've never seen one of those. You know.
What?
I've never seen.
Biblical zoo ship.
All right.
You know that. Thanks, Clive. Clive just said that right before we start.
That's why I say if they're giving us hints, we can figure it out. One again.
This wasn't so bad.
Ship whose crew.
Captain Bligh.
Yeah, man. Captain Bligh, that is... actually know that.
I don't.
I read that. Gosh, never.
It's on the tip of it.
I'm doing that because them say it on the
On
tip
the tip
of
of
it.
it. It come off? No. But we don't know.
I'm not going to remember.
Are you right?
Yeah,
Did you
yeah,
remember
I
that?
I knew.
I
didn't
know
remember,
that.
but
I didn't know that
I
one.
knew the Captain Bligh thing. Go on again now. Ghost ship doomed to sail the ocean forever.
Oh, I know that one. That's the one that them said was good on in the Bermuda
Hold on,
Triangle.
Yeah, hold on, man.
Oh, and you know, I always help you when I'm at home.
Yeah, but
how
you-
come nobody not helping
No,
us?
you know what happened to the help? The delay.
Oh, but a long time
So,
and
no,
nobody
but so by the
no
time you
answer.
send it to me, the show done.
Oh.
Me
I
no
don't
know.
remember. I know that it supposedly went down in the Bermuda. The Flying Dutchman. That's the one that was chasing the Black Pearl.
Actually, I didn't remember that.
I did remember that one.
But it's some cat Pearl Harbor, no museum.
Cannot help you. But tell you something don't know.
That is the USS.
You just know so USS Kaza.
USS Sinting.
Yeah, because it Arizona is after
No,
the
not
USS is a
necessarily.
warship. So
No,
it
it's don't have to be.
USS.
It could be just
yes,
US.
It
We're
was.
supposed to get Peace-Side, come and get
No.
USS, which famous adventure,
The
sail the
Beagle.
Beagle. What is the Beagle? Beagle or something?
Our ship, I guess. I guess the Beagle is in name.
Marco Polo. I don't know.
Maybe that's right. You never
No,
know.
no.
No?
Marco Polo, me just guess.
I don't know.
Who that man
Charles
there?
Darwin.
Yeah, Charles Darwin. Yeah, me read about that man there too. Actually, me really readings
That's
no bad.
funny. I never saw Uda man there.
Yeah.
It's the world's largest cruise ship.
You know, come here the other day.
Carnival?
Yeah, it come here the other
Was
day.
it Carnival?
Or it come in. It did come here the other day. Harmony.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
Royal
man, it
Caribbean,
came here the other
Harmony
day.
of the Seas. Okay. My ears say them all have surfing and them something on that. What you
I did
think?
have a question, right?
Oh, it not
Just
done.
like doctors, soldiers and other professionals, cruise ship crew members have secret code words that they use to communicate. What does 30-30 mean? Everything is okay.
30-30? Asking maintenance to
To
clean up a mess.
mess.
30-30. Oh, that makes sense. I don't even understand that. What 30 have to do with mess?
Because you don't have nothing to do with ship. That's it? That's the last one?
No.
What does the cruise ship code word alpha means?
First?
Alpha no
I
mean.
don't know. That's what I said first. Medical emergency.
They
Wow.
don't know it. Oh,
That's
no.
new.
No,
That's-
SOS is just emergency.
Save our souls.
Yeah, that's what it means.
I know that's what
But
it
it's just
means.
emergency that I don't
Okay.
think.
What alpha mean? Bravo. Everything all right?
I guess.
Good stuff? Oh, fire.
So if you say bravo, everybody say, yeah, man, we're good. I'm about to knock the whole ship.
Where is Danar? Somebody find him. At Life of a King. We need some help. We don't know them something. Please say there no more because we don't know these
No,
things.
sir, we want more.
At least we could have guessed the name of
All
the
right,
ships.
Delia,
but-
we're almost ready to go to Delia. I only have a question, though, because you were talking about the ski on the ship, right?
Yeah,
So they have,
yeah, surf.
and they, yeah, but surf, them have pool, right? and them have diving board.
Yeah.
All right, work with me now.
Work with
so the ship a move,
Yeah.
and I'm on the diving board.
It don't move fast enough.
And I dive. Then the ship
It don't move fast
no
enough.
move
for
and me
that.
drop.
Don't move fast enough for that. I just answer your question, darling. It don't move fast enough for that.
I know.
You're welcome.
So Clive, I try to work it out.
Clive, it's not that deep.
Oh, yeah.
The ship don't move fast enough and the size of the pool is big enough so that you're not going to fly off.
This is a bit dive, I end up there.
That's why there are engineers that do these things, guys.
All right, prayer breakfast. We told you that daily is there. We're going to link a couple of times. So let's go to the Jamaica Pegasus now.
Good morning, Neville and Sakina. Yes, I am coming to you live from the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, where in less than an hour, the 40th National Leadership Prayer Breakfast will take place. This year's theme